Hello, little explorers and curious minds. Welcome to Sleepy Science and Stories, where we wind down, relax, and learn something amazing before drifting off to sleep. Today, we have a sweet and fizzy adventure because we're talking about two favorite treats, soda and ice cream. Soda and ice cream might seem like just simple snacks, but they have fun histories, interesting science, and even some unusual flavors from around the world. So, grab a cozy spot, close your eyes, and get ready to discover the cool stories behind these tasty treats. How did soda appear? The history of soda started a long time ago. People always looked for ways to make water taste better by adding berries, honey, or herbs. But real soda came about when scientists discovered they could mix water with carbon dioxide gas, and that's what makes all those fizzy bubbles. At first, carbonated water was considered healthy and was sold in pharmacies because people thought it helped with digestion. Pretty interesting, right? What makes a drink carbonated? Why does soda tickle your tongue and bubble so cheerfully? It's all because of carbon dioxide gas, which is added to the drink under high pressure. When you open a bottle, the pressure drops quickly and the gas starts to escape, creating the bubbles that pop in your mouth. Not only does it make drinking fun, but it also makes the flavor stronger. Some very strange soda flavors around the world. For example, in Japan, you can find soda that tastes like cucumber or wasabi, and in America there is even baking flavored soda. Sounds strange, doesn't it? Facts about soda. Soda used to be considered medicine. Can you imagine? Soda used to be sold in pharmacies and considered a remedy. Doctors believed that the bubbles helped with stomach problems and strengthened the body. Of course, now we know soda is more of a treat, but it was once prescribed for health. Who invented cola? Did you know that one of the most famous sodas, Coca-Cola, was invented by a pharmacist? In 1886, John Pemberton created the recipe and sold it in a pharmacy. He had no idea his drink would become so popular worldwide. Experiments with soda. Now it's time for some fun experiments with soda. But be careful, things might get a little messy. Number 1. Soda and Mendes volcano. This is a very popular experiment, but it's always exciting. Take a bottle of soda, sugar-free works best to keep things less sticky, and drop in a few Mentos candies. The soda will start to erupt like a volcano. This happens because the candies quickly release carbon dioxide, which comes out under pressure. Number 2. Glowing soda. Take some clear soda and add a bit of tonic water. If you shine a UV light on it, the soda will start to glow in the dark. This is because tonic water contains a substance called quinine, which glows under ultraviolet light. Number 3. Balloon blow up. Take a plastic bottle of soda and put an empty balloon over the top. Gradually, the gas in the drink will start to fill the balloon. This happens because the gas is released from the soda and fills up the balloon. Soda in space. Did you know that astronauts can drink soda in space? Without gravity, the bubbles don't rise to the top as they do on Earth. Instead, they stay in the drink, which could be uncomfortable for astronauts. How people drink soda around the world. People love soda in almost every corner of the world, but different countries have unique flavors and traditions. In India, for example, they make salty soda with spices. And in South Korea, you can try green tea soda. Imagine how unusual these drinks must taste. The history of ice cream. Now that we've explored soda, let's switch gears to something cool and creamy. Ice cream. Listen carefully. Ice cream was invented thousands of years ago. Of course, back then, there were no refrigerators, but ancient people still had some clever ideas. In ancient China, people mixed snow with fruit and honey to make a kind of fruit ice. And in ancient Rome, Emperor Nero sent his servants to the mountains to bring back snow for his palace. Imagine then running with buckets full of snow. Then he would mix the snow with fruit juice to enjoy a cold dessert. The ice cream we know today, made with milk and cream, didn't come along until much later in the 16th century. How is ice cream made? Let's take a look inside an ice cream factory. First, they start with milk, cream, and sugar. All of these ingredients are mixed together and whipped until they become creamy. Then, they add flavors like fruit, nuts, chocolate, or caramel. Anything to make the ice cream even tastier. Next comes the magic. The mixture is frozen while being whipped, so it becomes soft and airy. Facts about ice cream. Who invented the ice cream cone? The ice cream cone was also created by accident. Legend has it that one day at a fair, they ran out of cups for the ice cream, so a baker rolled up a waffle into a cone. That's how the famous ice cream cone was born. The most unusual ice cream flavors. We usually enjoy ice cream flavors like vanilla, chocolate, or strawberry. But did you know that in India they make ice cream with rose water? And in Italy you can try cheese-flavored ice cream. In Japan they make some of the strangest flavors like octopus and even cactus. Imagine eating ice cream that smells like the ocean. Ice cream with a secret. Here is a cool secret about ice cream. During World War II, American soldiers were given ice cream to keep their spirits up. Even in tough times, ice cream was a treat that made everyone feel better. So, ice cream wasn't just delicious, it was also a source of comfort and happiness. Fun ice cream facts. Ready to learn some amazing ice cream facts? Here we go. The most popular ice cream flavor is vanilla. It's a classic that almost everyone loves. In America, ice cream was once thought to be good for your health. Doctors even recommended it as a cure for sadness. We're not doctors, but we all know ice cream can definitely lift your spirits. Experiment. How to make ice cream at home. Want to try making ice cream yourself? You only need a few things: milk, sugar, vanilla extract, and ice, of course. Here is what we do. Number 1. Pour milk, sugar, and a little vanilla into a small bag. Number 2. Put the small bag inside a big bag with ice and salt. And number 3. Shake, 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 and shake for a few minutes. The salt makes the ice even colder, and your milk mixture turns into ice cream. Open up the bag, and your ice cream is ready. You can eat it straight from the bag with a spoon. How do people eat ice cream around the world? In Italy, they love gelato, their version of ice cream that's thicker and has less air than regular ice cream. In Turkey, they have dondurma, a stretchy, sticky ice cream that you can pull like gum. And India, they enjoy kulfi, which is frozen in small molds and comes out firmer than other ice creams. And final thoughts. Both soda and ice cream have brought a lot of fun and joy to people around the world. They've got amazing histories, are full of interesting science, and come in so many unique flavors. Whether it's the tickling bubbles of soda or the creamy sweetness of ice cream, these treats are perfect for any celebration. So next time you enjoy a glass of soda or a scoop of ice cream, remember all the fascinating stories and science behind them. That wraps up our sweet and fizzy episode of Sleepy Science and Stories. I hope you enjoyed learning about soda and ice cream and maybe even trying these fun experiments at home. Just remember to ask an adult for help. Until next time, friends, and may your day be as bright and bubble as a glass of soda. Sweet dreams, and see you soon on our next adventure.